Backing 302 cubic inches with a massage suspension, a professionally built 9-inch, and a professionally built Tremec 5-speed. This polished 65 Mustang mixes old school class with new school skill. The beneficiary of a professional ground-up restoration that combines solid metal with tailored aesthetics, this classic wears a rich coat of Ford Laser Red 2-stage. That paint looks great under pearl Shelby top stripes. Those stripes are an excellent complement to a pinned Shelby-style hood, and all the car's emblems have been carefully shaved, with the exception of bright pony insignia that rides a classy mesh grille. Inside, you'll find an attractive black interior that features upgrades in all of the right places. Firm TMI seats are adorned in red stitched pony covers. A dual cowl dash plants rebuilt factory gauges between direct fit audio, autometer accessory gauges, and a Scott Drake rally pack. Fade-free carpet floats Mustang-themed floor mats under a polished shifter and a small console, and the driver spins a handsome Grant steering wheel. Hoist the glossy hood and you'll find 302 cubic inches of proven Ford power that was professionally assembled by Van Gordon Performance. Backed by a built Tremec 5-speed, it sends power back to a built 9-inch with 350 gears and a traction lock differential. Easy to cruise and fun to look at, this awesome Mustang should make every enthusiast smile. It backs proven Ford performance with a solid restoration that's ready to rip up the strip and stop the shows. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.